Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make a restore point and check that Windows Update isn't pending, because updates can block installs. Then verify free disk space, aim for about 10% free, and determine whether your system and app require x86 or x64. Net. Once done, close all apps and run the NET installer as administrator. This elevates permissions and avoids simple access errors. If an installer offers repair versus uninstall, choose repair first to keep settings intact. If repair from the installer doesn't work, run the Microsoft NET repair tool to detect component corruption. You can let it apply automated fixes. Next, manually remove the specific NET version from programs and features when the tool cannot. After uninstall, remove leftover folders under %windir%bec/Microsoft NET and export, then delete suspect registry keys. Make sure you back up the registry first because mistakes there can break Windows. Finally, reinstall the correct NET package you downloaded and then run Windows Update to grab any required dependencies. That ensures supporting frameworks are present. After install, confirm success in programs and features, and if you have the command line, run .NET info or check assembly logs. If errors persist, run system file checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows components. Then retry the install. Key troubleshooting tip: collect installer logs and Windows Event Viewer errors before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.